Good morning everyone, welcome to our presentation about familiarity and appreciation of fundamental financial concepts.
Nature of finance as key organizational function. Finance plays a crucial role in four main areas. Number 1, investment decision. This is about deciding where to spend the company's money. It involves carefully evaluating potential projects, investment, or acquisition to see if they'll generate a good return. It's like deciding whether to buy a new car or invest in a new piece of equipment for the business. Number 2, dividend decisions. This is about deciding how much of the company's profit to share with the owner. It's like deciding how much of your paycheck to spend and how much to save. Number 3, financing decision. This is about deciding how to raise money for the company. It involves choosing the best mix of debt and equity financing to fund operation and growth. It's like deciding whether to take out a loan or sell shares of the company. And last is liquidity decisions. This is about managing the company's cash flow. It involves ensuring that the company has enough cash on hand to meet its short-term obligation and avoid financial distress. It's like managing your personal budget to make sure you have enough money to pay your bills. By effectively managing these four key areas, finance professionals help ensure that the company has the resource it needs to succeed. They make sure the company is investing wisely, rewarding its owner fairly, and is staying financially healthy.
Definition of financial institutions. Financial institutions ay mga organisasyon na nagbibigay ng iba't ibang serbisyong pinansyal. Kasama sa kanilang mga service ang banking, investment, insurance, and asset management. Example po dito ay commercial banks. Nag-aalok ng mga service tulad ng savings accounts, checking accounts at loans. Credit unions, mga kooperatibang pinansyal na nag-aalok po ng mga service tulad ng pautang at deposit para po sa kanilang mga member. Insurance companies, ito naman po ay nagbibigay ng mga pulisya upang protektahan ang mga tao at negosyo mula sa mga potensyal na panganib at pinsala.
Financial institutions, it is essential to the expansion of the economy. They also assist savers and borrowers in the movement of capital. So, since they are positioned in the middle, financial institutions take personal funds and also allocate them to profitable ventures. And to put it briefly, financial institutions have the effective operation for a successful economy and society. At ang kahalagahan nito ay ang sinusuportahan nila ang stability and economic progress by offering a vital services including lending, investing, and risk management. For example, magtatayo ako ng business tapos kailangan ko ng dagdag kapital. So, pwede ako mag-loan sa isang bangko at maaari ko itong bayaran every month na may interest.
Financial instruments are contracts that can be traded in a market. They represent as an asset for one party and liability or equity for another. Sa simpleng salita, kapag may hawak ka ng financial instrument, ang isang entity, nakikinabang ito dito bilang asset tulad ng cash o stock. Habang ang ibang entity ay mayroong obligasyon o ownership stake na maaaring i-record bilang liability o equity.
So, sa financial manager, what comes to your mind if you hear the financial manager? So, financial manager helps a company handle its own money. They also plan how to use the money wisely and keep track of spending and income, and make sure that the company stays financially healthy. They also give advice on how to make more money and avoid financial problems. So, dito naman tayo sa figure. So, if magkaroon ng cash yung mga household or businesses or excess, is nilalaan nila ito for the investment. And then, ilolo naman siya ng mga borrowers, and it could be the individual or corporate entities. So, it could be cash payments from the borrowers at ibabalik nila sa mga institution together with the interest. And then, return to the lenders o sa mga nagpapautang, and it's good sa kanila kasi yung mga na-save nila is kumikita sila with the interest sa mga pinautang nila. Financial manager responsibility. So, this information comes from the article shared by Malik Shawal. They said that the 5 responsibility of financial manager are: number 1 is forecasting and planning. The financial manager must interact with other executive as they look ahead and lay the plans which will shape the firm's future. Next one is major investment and financing decisions. A successful firm usually has a rapid growth in sales, which requires investment in plant, equipment, and inventory. So the third one is the coordination and control. So the financial manager must interact with other executive to ensure that the firms is operated as efficiently as possible. So all businesses decisions have financial implications, and all managers, financial and otherwise, need to take this into account. So number 4 is dealing with the financial markets. The financial manager must deal with the money and capital markets. Each firm affects and is affected by general financial markets, where funds are raised, where the firm's shares and debentures are traded, where its inventories either make or lose money. Last is the risk management. All business face risks, and including natural disasters such as fires, flood, typhoons, and uncertainties in commodity and share prices, changing interest rate. However, many of these risks can be reduced by purchasing insurance or by hedging. So the financial manager is usually responsible for the firm's overall risk management programs, including identifying the risks that should have hedged and then hedging them in the most efficient manner. In short, ang financial managers ay may tungkulin to make decisions regarding which asset their firms should acquire. So, how these assets should be financed and how the firm should manage its existing resources. If these responsibilities are performed well, matutulungan nila ang company to maximize the values of their firms. And this will also maximize the long-run welfare of consumers and other employees. So that's it for today's guys. Hope you learned something on our video presentation. Bye!